Today we're introducing the Advisory Council for the DMZ, where we get to showcase some of the industry's best and finest. This is a group of individuals who have been through the trenches and some fresh minds and fresh perspectives, really the A-team.
It is my pleasure to welcome DMZ's new Advisory Council.
Carole Saab, CEO, Federation of Canadian Municipalities.
Really what drew me to the DMZ as well is the potential to build a bridge between sort of the innovation that's happening and the complex challenges that we're facing.
Matthew Mehrotra, Chief Digital Officer, Head of Canadian Products, BMO Financial Group.
Really exciting to be part of that journey with this amazing group of people and such an amazing organization.
Pierre Boutin, CEO, Group Managing Director, Volkswagen Group Ireland.
The world is also a global community, and we should really work more and more together at finding these solutions.
Ritu, Khanna, Vice President, Global Partnerships, Shopify.
The challenge comes in is that if the product market fit isn't scalable globally because you've got to customize it for that market.
Michael Tamblyn, CEO, Rakuten Kobo.
There were going to be 4 or 5 companies all around the world, and even though we were 10 people in a basement in Toronto, we wanted to be one of them.
Donette Chin-Loy Chang, incoming Chancellor, Toronto Metropolitan University.
There's a slogan in the DMZ that says, if you win, we win. Honestly, I think we're all winners.
Peter Bowie, Independent Director and Chair, DMZ Advisory Council.
I suspect, given Abdullah's creative and innovative leadership, it won't be long before we have some interesting discussions and interesting challenges to address, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Nabeela Elsayed, HR and Operations Executive, Advisor and Coach, the Marshall Dozer Group.
I think the way that we continue our efforts is to understand what problems different communities are facing, because at the end of the day, all innovation is about problem solving.
Mooney, President and CEO, Amex Canada.
Back at our office, I like to say to people, if we have 10 people around the table and we all have the same view, we've got the wrong 10 people.
Michael Bartlett, President and CEO, Canada Basketball.
When you think of shoot or shoot, I talk a lot about the entrepreneurial mindset. Shoot, fail, shoot again.
Keshia Chanté, award-winning singer, TV host, and NACO ambassador.
I'm proud to be a part of DMZ because of what DMZ is doing for those communities and seeing the work that they're doing and empowering those communities.
Agnes Hilkin, Executive Director, the George and Helen Berry Foundation. Mohamed Lashemi, President and Vice Chancellor, Toronto Metropolitan University. Mike Murchison, CEO and co-founder, ADA. Noura Sakkijha, CEO, Mejuri. David Walmsley, Editor-in-Chief, The Globe and Mail. Abdullah Snowbar, Executive Director, DMZ, CEO, DMZ Ventures.
When you think about why we brought this esteemed group together, each individual has a certain flair and flavor of what they do and what they bring, and we're really excited about being able to showcase that and help us at the DMZ. Thank you all, and again, one last applaud for this incredible Advisory Council.